everyone, welcome back to with Suho. Today's challenge is Guess the Voice, K-pop Demon Hunter edition. You have only 10 seconds for each question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. Can you guess this voice?
I was a ghost, I was alone.
Amazing start. It's Rumi.
I was a ghost, I was alone.
Listen carefully. Who is this? So cute. It's Susie. Think you know this one?
Nothing can change until your patterns are gone.
Beautiful voice. It's Celine.
Nothing can change until your patterns are gone.
Only true fan can you guess this? Awesome! It's Rujinu. Stay focused. Can you recognize? Perfect guess. It's romance. Can you guess this emoji character? Refreshing choice. Soda pop. This one is a little tricky. Funny one, Derpy. Listen closely.
No, not tonight.
Full of mystery, mystery Saja.
No, not tonight.
Which team will you choose? Saja boys hits like, Huntrix hits subscribe. Awesome choice. Ready for next one. So lovable. It's Zoey. Can you recognize this voice?
More serious than I thought. The Saja boys have gone complete.
You got it. It's Bobby.
More serious than I thought. The Saja boys have gone complete.
Here another challenge. Too adorable. It's Abby. Find the odd one out. Nice cat. That's the odd one. This one sound dark.
I'm the only one who loves you.
dark and powerful demon Zinu. Almost there.
Oh, I didn't even get to finish my ramyeon.
Sweet and charming, it's Mira.
Oh, I didn't even get to finish my ramyeon.
One last odd one out. Great job, you found it. Final emoji challenge. Tiny but mighty, it's baby Saja. Second last challenge.
For the pain, cause it got me going viral. Oh, yeah.
Cute but dangerous, demon baby.
For the pain, cause it got me going viral. Yeah.
Final challenge, only the biggest fan.
I see. I see.
Can you guess this one? Amazing! Dr. Han.